Step 1. Select a clean jar or container with a tight-fitting lid. Step 2. Determine the number of liquid ounces. If the ounces are not clearly marked in your container, you can determine the size by filling the container with water and pouring into a provided measuring cup. Use the chart provided to determine the number of ounces. Step 3. Fill your jar or container. Step 4. Tighten the lid onto your jar. Step 5. Label your jar with a marker. Step 6. Check out. And if you have more than one bottle to fill,